Hello children, I hope you all are doing well. I am Mrs. Anjali Khandekar, your maths teacher. So let's learn maths with fun. In previous class, we had learned about shapes, right? Now today we are going to learn a new topic, long, short. Your textbook's page number 65. Let's learn the concept of long and short. So, what do you mean by long? Long means the object which have more length than other is called long. And what do you mean by short? Short means the object which have less length than other is called short. For example, this pencil is long and this is short. So, did you understand short and long? Okay, short and long are compared with their length. Now take out your textbook, page number 65. Long, short. Long, short. Circle the object which is short. So, here are two rulers. We compare them with their length. Can you tell me which object is short? Correct. The second one is short because the length of first ruler is more than the second one. Okay. So we circle the second ruler. Now the next example. Circle the object which is long. So tell me which object is long? Correct. The second object is long because its length is more than the first object. So we circle the second object. Now the next. Arrange the objects according to increasing order of their lengths. Now look here. There are 4 pencils and each pencil has different length. So according to their length, we have to arrange them in increasing order. So children, do you remember? We had already learned about increasing order and I have made a video explaining increasing and decreasing order. You can watch the video later on. Okay? So here increasing order means short length to long length. So second pencil is shortest among these 4 pencils. So we write here 1. Then fourth one is longer than this pencil. Okay. So we write here 2. And the third pencil is longer than this. Okay. Third is longer than this. So we write here 3. And the first pencil is longest among all the pencils. So we'll write here 4. Okay. Now look at the safety pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third pin is shortest pin. So we write here 1. Then the second pin is longer than this one. So we write here 2. Then the fourth pin is longer than this pin. So we write here 3. And the first pin is longest among all these pins. So we write here 4. Understood? Now the next example. There are 3 toothbrushes. Now tell me which is shortest among 3? Yes, correct. The second one is shortest among 3. So we write here 1. Now the first one is longest than this one. So we write here 2. And the third one is longest among all these. So we write here 3. Okay. Now the next example. There are 4 strings with beads. So now we compare all by their length in increasing order. So tell me which one comes first? Correct. Last one, because it is shortest among all. So we write here 1. Then this one is longer than this. So we write here 2. And then this one is longer than this. So we write here 3. And this string is longest among all strings. So we write here 4. So I think your concept of long and short is clear. Now today's homework. Today's homework is complete page number 65 in your maths textbook and in your maths notebook. So we will come with the new concept in the next class. Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay safe, and most important, stay at your home.